The comfort of home, embracing home care for loved ones. Home is where the heart is. It's a sanctuary of comfort, familiarity, and love. Home care allows our loved ones to maintain independence and quality of life. It provides personalized support tailored to their unique needs. The decision to choose home care is significant, filled with emotions and considerations. Open communication and understanding are key. Home care requires a holistic approach, addressing practical and emotional needs. It's a journey that provides dignity, respect, and compassionate care, navigating the financial landscape costs, insurance, and resources. Understanding home care costs is crucial for informed decisions and long-term sustainability. Costs vary by care level, service duration, and location. Have open conversations about costs and explore financial resources. Insurance coverage varies widely. Review policies carefully. Medicare and Medicaid offer assistance but have specific requirements. Explore veterans benefits, long-term care insurance, and community programs. Legal and ethical considerations. Ensuring respect and dignity. Respecting the legal and ethical rights of individuals receiving home care is paramount. Informed consent is a fundamental principle, ensuring that individuals have the right to make autonomous decisions about their care. This includes providing them with clear and understandable information about their medical condition, treatment options, and the risks and benefits of each choice. Privacy and confidentiality are also crucial aspects of ethical home care. Caregivers must treat all personal information with the utmost discretion and respect the individual's right to privacy in their own homes. It's essential to establish clear boundaries and guidelines regarding the handling of personal belongings, financial matters, and medical records. Open communication and a strong relationship built on trust between caregivers, individuals receiving care, and their families can foster an environment of respect, dignity, and ethical decision-making. Building a strong home care team. Collaboration is key. Building a cohesive and supportive home care team is essential for providing comprehensive and coordinated care. This team typically includes family members, friends, professional caregivers, and healthcare providers, each playing a vital role in the individual's well-being. Start by identifying the specific needs of your loved one and determine which tasks can be handled by family and friends, and which require professional assistance. When hiring professional caregivers, conduct thorough background checks, verify credentials, and ensure they are licensed, bonded, and insured. Once the team is assembled, foster open communication and collaboration. Regular team meetings, either in person or virtually, can facilitate information sharing, address concerns, and ensure everyone is on the same page. Effective communication, the cornerstone of quality home care. Effective communication is the cornerstone of quality home care, fostering trust, preventing misunderstandings, and ensuring everyone involved is working towards the same goals. Establish clear channels of communication from the outset, utilizing a combination of phone calls, text messages, emails, and in-person meetings. Encourage caregivers to document important information such as medication schedules, changes in condition, and any concerns they may have. Regularly communicate with healthcare providers, sharing updates, and seeking guidance when needed. Remember that communication is a two-way street. Actively listen to the individual receiving care, their family members, and caregivers, creating a safe and supportive space for everyone to express their thoughts, feelings, and concerns. Recognizing and preventing caregiver burnout, prioritizing well-being. Providing care for a loved one can be rewarding, but it can also take a toll on caregivers, leading to burnout. Burnout is a state of exhaustion characterized by feelings of overwhelm and a decreased ability to provide care. Recognizing the signs of burnout is crucial for the well-being of both the caregiver and the individual receiving care. Preventing burnout requires prioritizing self-care and seeking support. Engage in activities that bring joy and relaxation, such as exercise, hobbies, or connecting with friends. Seeking professional help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Seeking professional guidance. Signal Health Group's expertise in home care. Navigating the complexities of home care can feel overwhelming at times, and seeking professional guidance can provide invaluable support and expertise. Signal Health Group is a trusted provider of comprehensive home care services dedicated to enhancing the lives of individuals and their families, with a team of experienced professionals, including registered nurses, licensed practical nurses, certified nursing assistants, and therapists. Signal Health Group offers a wide range of services tailored to meet individual needs. Their compassionate and skilled caregivers provide personalized assistance with activities of daily living, medication management, wound care, physical therapy, and more. Signal Health Group understands the importance of a holistic approach to home care, addressing not only the physical but also the emotional and social well-being of individuals. They work closely with families to develop care plans that promote independence, dignity, and quality of life. The rewards of home care: enhancing quality of life. While home care requires dedication, commitment, and a willingness to navigate challenges, the rewards are immeasurable. Home care allows individuals to remain in the familiar surroundings of their own homes, surrounded by cherished belongings and memories. This sense of familiarity and comfort can have a profoundly positive impact on their emotional well-being, reducing stress and anxiety often associated with unfamiliar environments. Moreover, home care fosters a sense of independence and control. Individuals can participate in decision-making regarding their care, maintain their daily routines, and engage in activities they enjoy, promoting a sense of purpose and fulfillment. And resources and support networks. Finding help along the way. Navigating the world of home care can feel like uncharted territory at times, but remember, you're not alone. A wealth of resources and support networks are available to provide guidance, assistance, and a listening ear. The National Association for Home Care and Hospice, NAHC, offers a wealth of information on home care services, caregiver support, and advocacy efforts. The Family Caregiver Alliance, AFCA, provides resources and support specifically tailored to the needs of family caregivers. Local area agencies on aging, AAs, can connect you with community-based resources, such as respite care, adult daycare, and support groups. Don't hesitate to reach out, ask questions, and utilize the available resources to navigate this journey with confidence and support. Embracing the journey, providing compassionate care at home. Embarking on the journey of home care is a testament to the love, compassion, and commitment we have for our loved ones. It's a journey filled with both joys and challenges, requiring patience, understanding, and unwavering support. By embracing a holistic approach that encompasses financial planning, legal and ethical considerations, team building strategies, effective communication, and caregiver support, we can create a nurturing and supportive environment where our loved ones can thrive in the comfort of their own homes. Remember, you are not alone on this journey. Seek guidance from professionals like Signal Health Group, utilize available resources, and prioritize self-care. Together, let's navigate the path of home care with empathy, resilience, and a shared commitment to providing our loved ones with the compassionate care they deserve.